Well, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the very proud parents of the bride and groom and the management here at the dazzling Dalton House, I'd like to formally welcome you here tonight to celebrate this very joyous and truly momentous occasion. It is the marriage of James and Sasha Saddington on this special 24th day of August 2025. Why not? How about a big round of applause for the newlyweds? Yeah, make some noise, guys, yeah! Now, I hear there's quite a few people here tonight that speak Farsi. Is that correct? Yeah. I can't hear you guys. Basheshne Arusiya, James Basasha, Khoshomadi. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we celebrate two beautiful hearts united as one on their journey of love forever. And as you all know, today marks a very special time in their lives. And for that reason, we really need to rock the house here tonight and light it up. So as a warm-up for tonight's celebration and the newlyweds, on the count of three, let's all make some noise. 1, 2, and 3! I love it. The ambience here is absolutely electrifying. Well, on that big note, and without any further ado, let's get ready to party. First up, let's make welcome the very proud parents of the groom. Please put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Stephen and Karen Saddington. Are ready to party? And next up, ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome the very proud mother of the bride along with her partner. Please put your hands together for Pune Sabine along with Matthew Nelson. They sure are ready to party. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome our page boy and flower girl. Please put your hands together for Arvin, Avali, along with Alara, Samisi. Guys, I think the page boy and flower girl has set the benchmark for the night. Great work, guys. Well done. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on to the bridal party. Let me tell you, tonight it's going to be teams bridesmaids versus team groomsmen. Yes, it's a dance-off. First up, let's make welcome our bridesmaid and maid of honor. Please put your hands together for Paris, Davari, Renee, Shakri, Natasha, They sure know how to rock that dance floor. Give me a big round of applause for the bridesmaids. Remember, this is a dance-off, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, let's make welcome our groomsmen and co-best men. Please put your hands together for Anthony Davari, Amechi Okwachimi, Isaac Balesti, along with them, Freya.
Put your hands up in the air, 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 put
Big round of applause for the groomsmen. Bridesmaids, just make your way forward. Guys, remember this is a dance-off. Whoever thinks the bridesmaids rock that dance floor better, make some noise. And equally, whoever thinks the groomsmen rock that dance floor better, make some noise. To me, it sounded equal, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a big round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, can I kindly ask everybody to be standing ready to welcome the newlyweds on this most special and memorable 24th day of August 2025. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just one more time before we welcome the newlyweds. Let's make sure they know we are here ready to party. Are we ready to party? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I introduce to you for the first time as husband and wife right here in the Dalton House. Let's make them welcome the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. James and Sasha Saddington.